Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am kymnicole. If you're new to my channel, I do post a lot of different content on here. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today we have an exciting video for you, and this video is sponsored by Sayabling. This is usually what their package looks like. If you look at my page, you will see like a video of me working with this brand, but this is what the package came in. It was very secure. It was wrapped in so many papers. I just put it out so we didn't have to like take it to the process of like unboxing, but we're gonna open it together and I'm gonna like show you what I got. But before we get into this video, please remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, and your post notification for future uploads. Now let's dive directly in this packaging.
I'm on the stage right now.
So this is their care card. It's pretty much gonna tell you how to care for your jewelry. Then we have like a coupon with like $20 off and $50 off. And then we have the jewelry. A cute little box. Take a look. Got it? All right. Now let's just open it. I select this design. They do have a lot of other design that you can select from. I'm going to leave like their website somewhere right here on the screen so you can see what I'm talking about and go over there and view some of their other products. The jewelry looks very expensive, but they're not expensive, so that's a good thing. Affordable jewelry at an affordable cost. I'm going to link any discount code that I have. I'm going to link it down below in the description box, the product itself, and also if their website, so you could like check out the other design that they do have. But this is the one I selected. And this is one is like a red. I wanted something different, so that's what I got. And one thing about jewelry, this is an 18 inches. One thing about jewelry, once you remove the tag, you can't return it. So each company have their own policy, but usually that's what most companies do. If you know you don't like it, then just don't remove the tag. So here it is. It's a close-up.
You look good out, no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up.
Close-up. So let me like put it on. Since I'm not returning it, I'm gonna just remove thing. I don't have to rip it. So So here is like a close-up. The jewelry. That's super cute, and it's not too heavy, so that's like good. You could wear it like, you know, if you're going out to dinner or any formal event. But I think it's super cute. They have other lengths. I just showed this one because I didn't want it to be long, just in case I need to add like another chain to it. I could style it like that, but otherwise it looks very bougie, very cute. Like I said, not too expensive, but it's given expensive look. So if you guys like it and you want to get one for yourself, I'm going to link the information down below so you could go and get a pair for yourself. I'm going to leave the price on the screen, which is going to be like right here, so you could see how much it costs. So hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I see the look on your face, I see a heart in the hate, I see a look